Are you tired of cough syrups loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients? Today, let's discover a natural cough syrup that's both effective and healthy. Start with raw honey, known for its soothing and antibacterial properties. Mix it with fresh lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, to boost your immune system. Add a small piece of grated ginger, which acts as a natural anti-inflammatory. Combine these ingredients in a jar and stir well. You can also add a pinch of turmeric for extra healing power. Take 1 tablespoon of this syrup 2 to 3 times a day to calm your cough and ease throat irritation. This natural remedy not only tastes great, but supports your body's natural healing process, all without any added sugar. Try it and breathe easier naturally.